will randomly change into a variety of strange, beautiful pattern. Principle of the kaleidoscope is to use the mirror surface, this one, of the equilateral triangle, like this, to reflect and refract the beads glass in corner, this one and this one. Step 1, we take the roll and the paper, and color paper, and then we're rolling like this. But before we take the sticker to step 2, now we take the eye covering and then the clear glasses, and then we cover it up. And then we put this, and then we take the plastic lens, okay, a triangle in there. But before, I will take the sticker. And then we take in like this. After this, we take the third, and then it make a triangle. After this, we put a ring, this one, and white plastic. We put, and we take some beads, and then we put on inside of the triangle. And then we cover it by ring. After this, it's done. And then we can see like this. If you want to see, it's done. This is the kaleidoscope. That's all for now. Our kaleidoscope is done. See you next time. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.